What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 9/13/2024. I am doing our 2023-24 Panini Select Basketball Mega Box 10-box break number 2. Who's got who in the break? Dennis J is the Hawks, Joe W with the Celtics and the Nets, Matthew H with the Hornets. We have, that's Matthew H.A. with the Hornets. We got Dennis J with the Bulls and the Cavs. Tim G has the Mavericks, Joe W with the Nuggets. Dennis J. Pistons, Joe W. Warriors, Lisa T. with the Rockets, Joe W. Pacers, Joe W. has the Clippers, Jerry M. with the Lakers, Joe W. with the Grizzlies, Dennis J. Heat and Bucks, Tim G. has the T-Wolves, Joe W. has the Pelicans, Dennis J. with the Knicks and the Thunder, Joe W. with the Magic, Tim G. with the 76ers, Joe W. Suns, Blazers, Kings, Lisa T. with the Spurs, Joe W. with the Raptors, Jazz and Wizards, Dennis J. What's going on, Dennis? Guys, the only other basketball I have on the site right now is the 23-24 Revolution Chinese. That's 7 boxes. There's 19 left in that. Look at that, 19, 19, and 19. All right, let me get my knife here, and we'll start breaking. Hits are the blue cracked ice. If we can get any of the pinks, any numbered cards, any autos, we get out of this, and relics and things like that. But all cards always ship here, like always. How about Finest? Down to 9. Can we get it? Don't forget about those Gem Mint cards. 2. Score Football and Bowman Chrome Baseball on the site. We'll get those going as soon as the numbers get down. I'll start promoting them in break night. Numbers are still high on those, so I don't want to, but prices are good for what we got going. All right, let's do 3. And number 5 here. All right, here's our packs. Here we go. Thanks for joining me on a Friday night. Let's see what we can do. And what else can we do? Guys, I just listed an Electrum Baseball Random, $54.99 per spot in the random. 10-box case. And one participant, one team in that random will win a Randy Johnson autograph baseball. So for $54.99, you get a spot. And not only do you get a spot in the cards for that team, but you also have a shot, a 1 in 30 shot. But again, more spots you buy, more chances to win a Randy Johnson autograph baseball. And it'll be noted as a prize break. You'll see a little gift in the corner as a prize break. Also, the guaranteed to break. I'll open up a case. I'll open some boxes. Only one spot is sold in that one. That's going to happen on Tuesday. it shouldn't be. Unless, let me take a look right now. Unless I did something again. Let me find it. Where is it? Here it is. Unless I did something special. Like always. Electrum. Prize break. Mine says 30 spots. Unless this was... Okay, I see what happened. Let me try that. Let me do that. Let me see if that fixed it. If it didn't... That is so weird that it's listed like that. Alright, give me 1 second here. Why you told me. So we'll go here. Here. Let me get rid of that. Let me go back here. I knew you wouldn't lie to me, Joe. Alright. Let me do that. Let me do this. Disabled. Alright, and then let me do that. Data. Enable. Save and exit. Because on the back end it says 30 spots and all that fun stuff. Alright, now let me go to here. See if I fixed it. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right, 2 down. So, yeah, you have a shot at a Randy Johnson. A shot at a Randy Johnson autographed baseball. Which is about $200, 150, $200. All right, another one down. All right. Last pack being opened are the first 5 boxes. There we go. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Let's see what we can find here. All right, let's get a focus. There's Scoot. Trying to get it at an angle to get the glare off here, but all right, Scoot to start. Ooh, this is a pink. This is the first time I've seen a pink. We didn't get one in the first 10 boxes. Bilal Koulibaly. And they're numbered to 99. So 12 out of 99 on that one. Going to the Wizards right out of the gate, Dennis J. All right, put that one in a sleeve here. I'll hard encase them after because there's going to be a lot of stuff coming out at us here. Thompson. Here is our first cracked ice. It's Kyrie. Jokic Prism. Zion. And then a Prism of RJ Barrett. So we get the silver prisms, we get the blue prisms, we get the cracked ices. The prisms I will sleeve. The silvers and that I will sleeve. The cracked ices will get top loaded. Here's a silver of Damian Lillard. That's a nice one. So Jokic and Lillard so far. We got the multicolor here. Multicolored Tracy Jackson Davis. Multicolor there. Okay. Ben Shepherd. Franz Wagner, or Franz Wagner. There's a nice Chet Holmgren. It's not a prism, but it's still a nice looking card. And Jalen Williams rounds out the first box. All right, so we got a pink out of that one. 4 cards per pack there, Dennis. 4 cards per pack. All right, Kristaps, a silver of Julian Phillips. The rookies in the silver, I will try to top load. Not try, I will. There's a Steph Curry. We've got a Ben Shepherd rookie. There's a prism of Jaylen Brown. RJ Barrett, the cracked ice. Jokic again, silver. Jarace Walker. Jarace Walker rookie. Mikal Bridges. That should be a prism. And it is. Who we got here? Anthony Black, cracked ice rookie. Premier level. Here comes our tricolor. Tricolor of Devin Booker, premier level. Russell Westbrook. All right. DeMar DeRozan. There's Franz again. Neon Icon of Jason Tatum. Nice looking card there. And we end with a Darius Garland. All right, 2 boxes down. Keep them going here. Again, all these will get, in case that I'm putting off to the side here, Tricolor, Zach LaVine. Another blue cracked ice. Nice Brandon Miller rookie. There we go. Brandon Miller rookie. We got a prism here of Jarace Walker, premier level. Brandon Ingram. Then you got Luka showing up as a cracked ice. Kawhi, cracked ice of Sasha, who is it? Vezenikov. Rookie of Revolutions. There's a Ja Morant. How about a Jaylen Brown? A little Jaylen Brown silver. Yeah, I do like the neon inserts. Guys, this stuff is getting, I'll get it out this weekend. The other breaks from last week. All right, Kyrie. DeJounte Murray. And Jalen Green. Jalen Green. All right. So done. Next up. Let's get an auto here. Oh. Russell Westbrook. And our silver is Alperen Sengun. There's Grady Dick. Ja Morant. Ooh, we got something. What we got here? Green, yes. All right. You got a Luka Green. Luka Green for Dallas. That's Tim G getting that one. Let's leave that one up. Our first green sighting. They're not numbered. I think we pulled 2 or 3 in the last one. Jamal Murray there. Here's our tricolor. LaMelo Ball. And then you got Devin Vassell. Premier level. Cracked ice. Cracked ice, RJ Barrett. Ooh, this is a cool one. Shai Alexander. Cracked ice of D.A. Aaron Fox. There's a prism of Jordan Hawkins. DeMar DeRozan again. And Karl Anthony Towns, a little cat action there. All right. Oh, I knew I thought I saw a prism here. Here it is. Darius Garland. All right. Let's go on to box 5 here. All right, whoop, we got another green coming? Nope, that's a tricolor. So you got DeJounte Murray, premier level. LaMelo. Scoot Henderson, silver. Put that on the side. It's not a silver prism, it's just the silver. All right, and then we got Brandon Podziemski, tricolor rookie. You got a Nick Smith Jr., cracked ice. Emoni Bates. Emoni. Cason Wallace Prism. Zach Levine. Jordan Miller. Amen Thompson. There's the neon icon of LeBron James. All right, you got Sasha Vezenkov. Julian Strawweather. Pascal Siakam. Silver of Andre Jackson Jr. rookie. Darius Garland. Russell Westbrook Blue Prism. Tyrese Halliburton. Halliburton there. Karl Anthony Towns. Couple more here. Ooh, is that a green? Yeah, that's a green. Rookie Revolution. Jamie Jacques Jr. or Jaime. Our second green. You got LaMelo right here. Little Grady Dick. DeJounte Murray and a Klay Thompson silver. All right, so that's 5 boxes in, guys. 5 to go. All right. Here we go again. Okay. Nice cards coming out of this, at least. One more here. All this cardboard and plastic and stuff for a few cards per pack, as Dennis said. All the wrappers, 4 cards. Like I said, I get it. That they want to make it feel like, you know, hey, I got 10 packs in the box or whatever. But it's a mega box. Make a mega pack. Yes, it does. And there's 25% off. So the Chinese Revolution, cheap prices and 25% off. There's one. Two. Three. back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I might open a box of Electrum right after this, guys. Might open the case up and take a box and show you what it's all about. Ripping the packs, Bach. Ripping the packs, Luke. Do another pink. Our second pink. Will we get an auto in this half? Finest baseball down to 9, single digits, 25% off, guys. Okay, here we go. Let's double check here what we got. All right. Box number 6 here. Here we go. Our good boy Franz. There's a Karl Anthony Towns prism. There's an Anthony Davis cracked ice. Chris Livingston silver. There is an Oliver. You see that? Oliver Maxence Prosper prism. Cracked ice of Russell Westbrook. Neon icon of Zion. Jarace Walker. Damian Lillard neon icon. Lauri Markkanen showing up there. Jaquez Jr. again. Jaquez. Cam Whitmore. Shaden Sharp. Brandon Ingram Premier Prism. Jamal Murray. Asur Thompson. Ooh, did we get one? Yeah, we did. Jamie McDaniel for the Raptors. Joe W., there you go, buddy. Jalen McDaniels auto. All right, Jalen McDaniels auto. Got that pink. Forgot to encase it. Just showing it again. And then a tricolor. Tyrese Halliburton. Nice. All right. Next box. Here we go. Box 7. Bam Adebayo. Tricolor. Kristaps. Tricolor there for the Celtics. Anthony Edwards. Goose. There's Sengun again. We've got Trace Jackson Davis. Tracy, I should say. Jackson Davis. There's a John Morant Lodestar? What is that? Sounds like some total other profession. Jordan Hawkins. Kristaps. That time it's the cracked ice version. Here is a premiere of Jalen Green Prism Silver. Brandon Podziemski. Chet Holmgren. Garland. We got Pascal Siakam. And Devin Vassell. Oh, we got pink there, right? Let's see what else we can get. I thought there was another pink in this pile, but it was just the reflection. All right. Jalen Hood Shafino Prism. Scotty Barnes. Tricolor Anthony Edwards. At least they were getting some good names out of the tricolors and stuff here. JJJ. Derek Lively II, Esquire. And Chris Livingston. Jimmy Butler. DeMar DeRozan. And a select certified of John Morant. We got Scotty Barnes. We got a green coming. Oliver Maxence Prosper. The green is a rookie, Jordan Hawkins. Select rookie. The green in a sleeve. Our third green. All right, we've got Jacques Jr., Jordan Poole. That's a prism. Yes, the third Esquire, sir. Donovan Mitchell. All right, and what do we got here? Tamani Kamara. As our cracked ice. All right, I'm going to leave the pink for the end. That's what he said. Oh, we got another pink. All right, we got two more. We didn't get any out of the first half, but we're getting them here. Jordan Poole. Well, I guess Dennis is just going to collect them all. Dennis, there you go. Jordan Poole, pink. Those are to 99, so 44 out of 99. Jordan Poole, pink. Showing up. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're just getting them all, bud. You're getting them all. All right, here we go. Devin Vassell. Got a cracked ice of Jalen Brunson. JJJ. Cracked ice of Grady Dick. Love a good Grady Dick. Bradley Beal. Kevin Durant Prism. And a cracked ice of Jalen Pickett. Premier level rookie. And DeAndre Ayton Prism there. And then we have Julian Strawwither. How about a LeBron Premier level cracked ice? We got a green. We got a green. Yes! I was getting worried there for Lisa, but congrats, Lisa. There's Wemby, and it's a green, and it's the Load Star. I think that was one of the things in Boogie Nights, right? Load Star. It's a fluffer. Anyway, family friendly here on Friday night at SBB. Victor Wembanyama. Wemby showing up here. Green Wemby. Isn't that like out of this case? Didn't we pulled that select certified green Wemby in the first half, right? So there you go, Lisa. Very nice. All right. Shaden Sharp. I was getting nervous there. All right, and we got a Donovan Mitchell Silver Prism for the Cavs. All right, so we got that pink there. What if it's a Wemby pink? That'd be awesome. So let's do, we'll do that. We'll just jump in here. Ja Morant, he's really stretching it out. Yes, I am. That's what she said. All right, and then we got a Steph Curry Silver Prism, Premier level, nice. Cameron Johnson, Mr. Johnson. Okay, what do we got here? Tricolor, Austin Reeves. Trae Young. Damian Lillard. Banchero. There's a Donovan Mitchell Select. Certified. Andre Jackson Jr. We got another green coming. There's a Kyrie Prism. There is a Mikal Bridges. All right, Karl Anthony Towns. Ooh, not bad at all. Asur Thompson green neon. Dennis, there you go. Neon icon. Green of Asur Thompson. All right, we got Jordan Hawkins. He's all over this product tonight. All right, we've got Podziniski, Rookie Premier. All right, here we go for the pink. Who's it going to be? Hopefully it's a rookie, too. Colby Jones. Grady Dick. Shai Alexander. Ooh, it's not a rookie, but it's not a bad name to have at all. Who's got the magic? Joe W. Paulo Banchero. Pink. There you go. Banchero pink, and that is 93 out of 99, sir. All right, guys, that'll do it. We have more basketball on the site. We do have the Chinese Revolution. 25% off. SBB 25 off. There's 19 left. cheap teams. Dennis, would you say the most expensive team available is like $42 before discount? So check it out right there, guys.